Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at an original factory hose. This is from like the early 1970s. That is a 5-year fire sleeved hose. 5 years. 1971, 1976 it expired. Here we are, almost 50 years later. It's pretty brittle, and I'm going to flex it in just a second so you can hear it and see how bad it is, and it does leak. This is no longer a serviceable hose. It is expired. Stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what a bad hose sounds like. That's what it looks like. If you've got a black hose on your airplane, please get some good ones. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I've shown you what good ones look like. This is what a bad one's all about. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.